I'm Paul Tapier at SEMA 2017 for Auto Parts Warehouse, and we're going to take a little sidebar here. Sorry, I couldn't help saying that, but it is a sidebar, and this is a wonderful one. What makes this unique, especially since we just showed the bull bar?
Well, it's part of our Advantage program, which is really neat because we have matching bull bars, side bars, and for some trucks we even have the headache rack. They're all 5.5-inch, 8-sided aluminum extrusion, so they're lightweight, non-corrosive, custom matched to the vehicles. It's an aluminum cap with an aluminum step with an aluminum tread, so there's nothing on here that's plastic or going to rust.
So this will probably last longer than me being at SEMA, because it seems like we could spend like a whole year here and I'd never get bored.
It's overwhelming the amount of products that you see here, so it's our job to make sure that we're being innovative on what we do and come out with products that are going to be complementary to the vehicles and are going to live with people's lifestyles.
And that they are, but just trying to take it all in. And if you feel like you can, at least you can go to Auto Parts Warehouse, okay, and see all these things.
Absolutely.
Okay, after you've kind of recovered from taking what, 14,000 steps today on your Fitbit, something like that?
Well, it was 22,000 yesterday. I'm trying to keep it down today a little bit.
See, there you go. Thanks so much. I'm Paul Tapier for Auto Parts Warehouse with Aries.